So hi everyone, welcome back once again to daily job saving series. Today we have jobs which is we are going to start from the freshers, right? So if you have fresher, you can apply for the job. And meanwhile, this is disclaimer, which means whatever job needs I'm going to share with you, just authenticate from your side because there's a lot of scam is going around, and I don't want you to be a part of any scam. Right now, let's get started. So this is for the freshers. As I told you, we are going to start with the freshers role. It's in QACC. Cybersecurity Analyst or Ethical Hacker is the role which is they are looking for. This is the mail ID info@quaxi.in, and this is the experience we required, which is absolutely freshers, right? Next one is someone is hiring for the application security engineer in IG Group, the company name. And guys, mandatory skills is you need to be OSCP certified, web application security testing, and all those things is required, right? So this is what we have. Nomitvyas.suncity@gmail.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume. But guys, it's a Gmail, so I highly recommend you to just check from your side. And OSCT certification is mandatory, right? So this is what we have. Meanwhile, if you're looking for a training or internship program, because if you don't have a skill, then you can join this program. First is TCI, which is on web application pen testing, and second is SOC. So you can learn both things. Like, it's really amazing. Just check out the link once, right? Now the next opening is basically in cybersecurity specialists. It's in Qatar, right? There are two requirements: cyber engineering specialist and cyber security specialist. Their requirements too. We have the other mail ID. Meanwhile, if you're not getting any response, this is the contact number on which you can contact, and the company name is the Talent Engine. There, I guess, they are someone who is taking some sort of commission and providing job for you. But anyways, like if you get a job, then that is plus point, right? Next one is someone is hiring for at Innovate Cybersecurity Intern in USA, California. Join from here. This is the link, right? Senovate.com jobs/cybersecurity intern SOCMD as strategist. You can join this one. Next one is VAPT professional at Pro Tech Magazine, right? It's Mumbai based role, and prachi.g@protechmagazine.com is the mail. Requirement is 4 to 5 years experience required, and this is what you can see, right? And just pause this video and check out what are things which are required. By the way, this is for the experience. Not a lot of experience required, but minimum 4 years of experience required, right? Now next opening is basically information security analyst. Career at simpasa.com is the company where they are hiring for. Now someone is hiring for the position of vulnerability management engineer. 2 to 4 years of experience is required. iuc.goswami@axiomtechnologies.com is the mail, and this is a permanent job. So considering it as a fresher, because 2 years is not something which a lot of efforts you need to put. 2 years is good, like minimum 2 years experience should be there for any role, I feel. Part-time VAPT professional project based role. So this is a part-time role, and check out, you need to just send your resume here, and this is a dedicated sample VAPT report here, right? So just check out this thing. Next is, yes, that's what we have. Meanwhile, if you're looking for training of internship program on web application pen testing, check out, guys. This is literally important. I highly recommend you to check. And this is for SOC, right? If you want to join our Discord, this is what we have. If you want to join our Telegram for the casual talks, you can join this here. So that's what we have right now. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.